Struggling with an iPad that won't shut down? Don't worry, in this video, we'll explain why this happens and show you simple fixes to get it working again. Part 1. Why won't my iPad turn off? Common reasons your iPad won't shut down include software bugs or glitches, app freezes or unresponsiveness, hardware issues, like a broken power button, faulty battery, settings conflicts, such as low power mode or guided access. Part 2. How to fix an iPad that won't turn off. 1. Hard reset your iPad. iPad with home button. Hold home and power buttons until Apple logo appears. iPad without home button. Press volume up, then down. Then hold power until Apple logo shows. 2. Turn on Assistive Touch. Open the Settings app. Tap General. Select Accessibility. Tap Assistive Touch. Turn on Assistive Touch by toggling the switch to green. 3. Check Auto Lock setting. Open the Settings app. Tap Display and Brightness. Select Auto Lock. Select a time other than never. 4. Update iPad. Open the Settings app and go to General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, it will be displayed on the screen. If an update is available, tap Download and Install and wait for the update to complete. 5. Reset iPad settings. Open the Settings app on your iPad. Go to General and tap Reset. Select Reset All Settings. This will return your iPad settings to their original state without deleting your data. 6. Fix iPad not turning off with iOS system recovery. If your iPad still won't turn off, then a professional third-party tool like iOS system recovery might be a good solution. You can fix almost all device failures caused by system problems. How to fix iPad not turning off with iOS system recovery. Step 1. Install and launch iOS system recovery on your computer. Go for More Tools, iOS system recovery. Step 2. Connect your iPad to the computer using a USB cable. Select Standard Mode and tap Start to continue. Step 3. The program will automatically detect your iPad model and download the appropriate firmware. Click Repair to proceed with the repairing process. Step 4. Once the repair process is complete, your device will restart and the iPad not turning off issue will be resolved. 7. Restore iPad with iTunes. Open iTunes and connect your iPad. Enter recovery mode. With home button, hold power plus home. Without home button, press volume up, down, then hold top. Click Restore when iTunes detects recovery mode. 8. Restore iPad from iCloud. 1. Check your iCloud backup. Open Settings and tap your name at the top of the screen. Scroll down and select iCloud. Then go to Manage Storage. Find your iPad's backup and make sure everything you need is properly backed up. 2. Erase your iPad. After confirming your backup, go back to Settings and tap General. Scroll down and select Reset. Then choose Erase All Content and Settings. Confirm your choice, and your iPad will reset to factory settings. 3. Restore from iCloud backup. Once your iPad restarts, follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, select Restore from iCloud backup and choose your backup. Your iPad will restore your data, and everything should work as it did before. 9. Contact Apple support.